All right. Let's talk about using z-scores, about using standardized scores. And never underestimate the value of sketching out the data and looking at it. Let your eyes do some of the reasoning. Let's look at your visual reasoning skills here. So standardized scores allow us to compare variables that are measured on different scales. And so this is the example you've got in your homework where you've got an evaluation that was given 2 different years, and you can't directly compare them. The group did on average a 30 the first year and on average a 35 the second year. We can't directly compare those, but we want to be able to ask questions about relative to the group, how did different employees perform. So let's start by visualizing this. Let's start by putting these both on the same scale and taking a look at seeing what the data tells us. Evaluation 1 has its mean right here at 30 and has a standard deviation of 5. So we're going to see a distribution that comes out symmetrically like that. How did I know how wide to draw it? Well, I was looking at my standard deviations. Here is +1 at 35. That's 30 plus 1 standard deviation. Here is +2. Here is +3. -1 standard deviation is down here at 25. -2, -3. Now you guys know that these are the z-scores, right? That a z-score of 3 on this distribution is here at 45. You've just worked out the z-scores. Of course, you haven't worked out what a z-score of 0.7 is. You're going to need to use your formula for that. But just by adding and subtracting your standard deviations, you've got your 0, +1, +2, +3, -1, -2, -3 for that one distribution, for that one evaluation. Let's look at the other one. For the other one, the mean is here at 35. And it's got a much smaller standard deviation, so it's going to be a much narrower distribution. It's going to be more like this. And let's work out its z-score. So this is the 0 is right here at 35. +1 is here at 37.5. +2 is here at 40. +3 is here at 42.5. -1 is right here at 32.5. -2 is right here at 30. -3 is down here at 27.5. I think starting with this visualization is going to help you to be able to tackle a lot of these questions on the homework that you'll just be able to see the answers. There's still some that you're going to need to use that formula to work out the exact z-scores or to compare exact z-scores.